Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can connect to your Windows machine using remote desktop connection from your Android phone. So let's begin the video. First of all, you're going to open the Play Store and you're going to download Windows app. This is an app officially provided by Microsoft and it is free. So we are going to download and install this. Once you have downloaded the application, you're going to open the Windows app, and here they have some terms and conditions. Accept, click on continue. And now if you want to connect to your Windows machine via remote desktop connection, just click on PC connection. Here you need to enter basic details like your PC name. So if you have bought your Windows machine from an online server provider, then they will provide you a unique IP address. So in the PC name you need to enter that IP address, and for user account you can click on it and you're going to click on add user account. Here you need to enter the username and password. Again, these details will be provided to you by your administrator or server provider, and you can also play with these other things as well, but let me enter the PC name or IP address and the user account. After entering the details, click on save. You will see your Windows machine. Just click on it to connect to it. So here it is showing. Just select this option and click on connect, and now it will connect to our Windows machine using remote desktop connection. And here you can see we are in. If I go into horizontal mode, you can also see that, and you can move the mouse and click on other things as well. So yeah guys, this is how you can connect to your Windows machine using remote desktop connection using your Android phone. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.